What's up, guys? On today's video we're going to be removing the rear body panel off a 2019 Chevy Camaro. It's the same one that I removed the rear bumper on. But yeah, let's get to it. All I'm doing here is removing the impact bar or the reinforcement, whatever you want to call it, to get access to all of my spot welds that are Then I went on to remove the seam sealer all along the edges that are hiding the spot welds. Here's a closer look so you guys can see what I'm talking about. The spot welds being hidden. And it's like I say, once whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. So I'm over here removing all the seam sealer on this side of the panel, but then I'm going to go ahead and go to the other side of the panel and do the same thing. I didn't record it, get it on camera, but you guys get my drift. Once I got my panel all cleaned up, I went ahead and picked up my marker and I started marking every single spot weld to have a visual representation of where I need to grind, instead of having to feel for them or look for them and stop and take a minute or two to just look to see where it's at. And I picked this tip up from a guy on Instagram named Custom Cars and Collision. He's also got a YouTube channel. He's a great technician, good guy. You guys should definitely check out his work, check out his page. Like I said, he's on Instagram and YouTube, Custom Cars and Collision. But anyways, it just makes it easier to go ahead and cut through all of these spot welds. Then it was just time to grind the spot weld down and start removing the panel. And I went ahead and sped everything up because it's a lot of spot welds. And I got my panel separator and I began separating the rear body panel from the actual body of the car. And all I'm doing is just striking in between and separating the panels. Just wedging them apart. Then I slowed it down because I actually thought that I had grounded down every spot weld, but you can clearly see that there's one in between those. Even though I had marked it out and everything, you still got to be careful and make sure that you have removed all the spot welds. If not, you have to come back and regrind it down to remove the panel smoothly. And if you keep hammering without grinding down the spot weld, you run the risk of tearing the panel that's actually in the back and the one that you actually need to stay intact. That's why I went back and reground it down and went ahead and removed it again after I had done everything. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for sticking around for the end of the video. I didn't record the installation or any of that because my wife actually went into labor. So I took 2 weeks off. I have 1 week left, and all you're seeing now is just me cleaning up the panel, prepping it, getting ready for the new one to get installed. But like I said, I didn't get the chance to do any of that. I had to leave a few jobs behind and get them dispatched to a different tech. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I have some content on some other videos, but it's not completely finished. But I'll put it up anyways. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.